One day, Sarah and Ali planned to grow some plants on their roof. So they bought some pots and they also bought some soil. So when Ali saw that Sarah has brought a different type of soil with her that was black or brownish in color, so he wondered that why can't we use the soil bought from the beach? That is sand. So Sarah told her that this soil will not allow growth of plants. But Ali was not understanding the fact. After several days, when they saw Sarah's plants were grown up and they were having some flowers in it, but Ali's pots were empty. The seeds were as it is present in the soil. So Ali was very sad about it and he wondered that why it happened. Why the soil that Ali used didn't help the plant to grow. So, to know this, we have to understand the types of soils. So, let's zoom in. As we can see that these samples are not only collected from different zones but they also have different properties. So let's discuss each of them in detail. Let's zoom in. You can see the particles of this type of sand. They are a bit bigger and if we look closely upon them, they have some spaces in them. This type of soil is called as sandy soil. Yeah, you're right. This is that sand which you see on the beaches. And if we add water in it, it cannot retain the water. What's the reason? Actually, the biggest reason is the size of the particles and the spaces among them. That's why this is the basic reason that sand cannot hold water or even minerals in it. And this type of soil is not suitable for plants growth. Next in our list is this type of soil. If we look closely upon the particles are very small and they have little spaces. This type of soil is called silt. So if we add water in it, it can hold up little amount of water. Now, move to the next type of soil in our list. Can you see the particles are very small and they can't even be seen with the naked eyes. So do you think that they have little spaces in them? Yes, you are right. And that's why they can retain maximum amount of water in it. And this type of soil is called as clay. Now you are thinking that is this that clay which is used to make articles by molding it? Then you're right. This is used for making pots and other articles. Do you think that this type of soil is suitable for plants growth? As we have discussed that it can retain a lot of water, so it is the possibility that many of the plants having delicate roots can be destroyed. This type of soil is suitable for making pots but not for agriculture. Now moving to the last type of soil, we can see that this is black in color and a bit different. So if we zoom in and see the particles, there is a mixture of small and big particles. This is called as loamy soil. Not only it is having different particles, but it is also having humus. Yes, you're right. Organic matter, which is formed by the dead plants and animals, is humus. So is this the reason that this soil appears to be black? Yes, this is the reason. And due to humus, it has minerals and nutrients. And what about water retaining property? Yes, it holds up some water and drains some water. Is this soil best for agriculture? Yes. Loamy soil is ideal soil for agriculture, as this soil has nutrients and minerals and it can hold up some water. This was all about different types of soil. Now, we have understood that why Sarah's plants were grown up because she has used loamy soil. And in case of Ali, he used sand. That was definitely not suitable for plants growth. So, Keep all these points in mind before growing plants. Thank you.